Before you begin, make sure your crowd barrier is upright, stable and in its final position. Check for any sharp edges or burrs that could catch or damage the cover. Take your poncho cover and drape it over the top bar. One side should face front, the other rear. Let it hang freely for now. Before fastening anything, make sure it's centered. The top seam should align with the middle of the top bar and both sides should hang evenly. Start with the center bottom eyelet. Use a cable tie to attach it to the bottom rail, then work outward on both sides. Attach the rest of the eyelets along the bottom edge, keeping the fabric smooth and flat. Don't over tighten, just enough to hold the shape. Trim any excess tie ends and smooth out the cover. That's it, your poncho cover is in place and looking great.